Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on GIGABYTE G7. In order to adjust the volume, you can do it in two different methods. So the first one is simply clicking on this control center icon and adjusting the volume bar with a mouse. It will also give you a preview of the loudness. And now if you want to do it more conveniently, you can use the keyboard. On the keyboard, you can notice the F5 and F6 keys. And clicking on them alone usually won't do anything. It can open some other things because these function keys typically have two functions. Like the F5 has its assigned action in the system, and below it is the volume rocker. So in order to use the volume rocker, you need to press on FN, which is here, combined with either of these keys, and that adjusts the volume. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.